Singapore, watch your forehead. We don't want to clock you one. This is how we roll. Let's go! I was a funky singer. Come on, clap your hands. Playing in a rock and roll band. Come on, never had no problem like this, y'all. Give it up. Burning down a one night stand. Yeah, they was dancing and singing and moving to the groove. And just when it hit me, somebody turned around and shouted, play the funky music. Do it up. Play the funky music. Party, y'all. And we just getting started. Crew, let's do it. Work it out. Hey, hey, no doubt, no doubt. Welcome everybody. We're gonna rock this party right. I gotta let you know this one thing. Though we like to get it started proper, we don't stop till the beat drops. Clap your hands, everybody. Put them together. There you go, there you go. All right, I want everybody to chill with us, do exactly what we do so we can get this party started right. Crew, you ready? Like this. Put your hands to the sky. You're feeling that rhythm truck vibe. Come on, everybody. Put your hands to the sky if you're feeling that rhythm truck vibe. Hey, get it. Everybody, I'm the host. People call me the most with a mic in my hand and I really sit playing to entertain ya. With beats so fat, drumline crew goes rat-a-tat-tat. Hey! Welcome to Rhythm Truck, everybody. This is where we drive the beat into the street, right? Literally. Now, we're not selling ice cream from this thing, but we do have some ice cold treats coming your way. If you're a fan of amazing moves and grooves that get your heart pounding, you're in the right place. Today in the crew, we got JP, Manolette, Ash, Rachel, Ray, and of course, Leon. My name is DJ Milo, Hilo, I go. Excuse me a second. Yo, why bro? Now look, later we'll bang on that drum. But right now, that's too typical. So crew, grab your sticks, switch up the mix. Cause this drum kit's invisible. This is where you clap, put your hands together. There you go, yeah, there you go. I know it's a little slow, right? All right, let me explain everybody. This is how this works. This next bit is called the Invisible Drum Kit. It's a really cool piece of technology. See those sticks? Those sticks make any sound you've ever thought of. Matter of fact, some sounds you never thought of. Anyway, enough talk, let me show you how it works. Crew, let's do it! First up, kicking cymbals. Okay, snare. Toms, give it to me. Yeah, percussion. Hit it, Rach. Did you just? That's just me. Hit me one time. Now hit me 2 times. Now hit me 3 times. Okay, give me Phil Collins. Yeah, by the looks of it, some of you are old enough to remember that. All right, Rachel, try not to hit the animals. Try, please. Let's go. Come on. We got to drop the K-pop, baby. Say it like this. I'm young, I say yo. One more time. Better let. Rock it out for him. Come on. Give it up. Or stand there. That works. Fantastic, baby. One more time. Hey. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right. You guys that want a clean flight? No hitting below the belt? Hey, make it right. Let's get ready to rumble. Fight. Rock it up. back on the street. Took my time, took my chances. Pay attention, man. Whatever, Mega Mix, let's do this.
Faster, stronger.
All right, let's try that one more time. Go to mine. 3, 2, 1. Nice, nice. All right, I'm gonna need a little help from everybody out there. Go like this. Let me see you clap your hands. Yeah! Make some noise, everybody. Put your hands together. That's how we like to. Rachel, I put those on my mom's credit card. Really? Could you not? All right, how about you guys? If you guys are ready to have some more fun, let me hear you say yeah! Awesome sauce. Okay, before we move on to the next bit, we got a beautiful crowd. I want to know where everybody's from. So, I'm going to yell out some countries. If you're from there, make some noise. Let's start with the obvious. Do we have anybody from China? China, make some noise! Yes. Ni hao ma, gong si fa chai, all that good stuff. How about India? India, make some noise! There we go, yes, namaste, vanakkam, chalo chalo. What about Korea? Whoa, okay, yeah, annyeonghaseyo, mother, father, gentleman. Japan? No? Hong Kong, Taiwan? This is getting tough. Philippines? Okay, just you, I appreciate the effort. Okay, let's make it easy. If we have anybody from Singapore, make some noise! Okay, not bad, how about this? Anybody not from Singapore, make some noise! Much better, much better. Okay, you guys are gonna love this next bit. This is a little something we like to call the breakbeat battle. Serious. Okay, that's what we call it. What are you doing? All right, we got our challenges up here. Let's meet them. Kill it, Ash. All right, hi. Stop paying attention to her. Focus to me. I'm the pretty one. Hi, what's your name?
Nina.
Nila, where are you from?
I'm from China.
Oh, Nina from China. Give it up for everybody. Round of applause for her. Nicely done. Look at this handsome young man. Hey, bro, what's your name?
Pawan.
Pawan, where are you from?
India.
Pawan from India. Round of applause for him, everybody. Okay, Nila, Pawan, check this out. This first round is basically follow the leader. Super simple, super easy. Nila, for you, she's gonna play, you play after, okay? Same thing for you, bro. He's gonna give you a beat, you follow that, okay? Everybody else, you just sit there and look at me like you could use a cup of coffee. Yeah, just like that. All right, crew, are you ready? Let's do it, baby. All right, first up, all the ladies. Nila, follow her in 3, 2, 1, watch. Now, hey, there you go. Nicely done, musical genius right there. All right, Pawan, your turn. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, do it. Not bad. I would like to see a little bit more choreography, Pawan, okay? Next time. All right, make it tough. Come on, here we go. Close enough. I like it. I'm feeling it. All right. Come on. Hey, look at that. Nice. I didn't think we would get that far. Okay, I'm actually surprised. Okay, how about this? Let's bring the energy up. Everybody, clap along with Rach. Rach, show them how it's done. Come on, clap. Everybody, clap. Clap. Everybody, clap. Faster. Faster. That's how we do it! All right, guys, moving on to the next round. We're gonna make this next round even more dangerous and just as thrilling as the last one. We got the baddest dancer in all the land, that's right, with ballet slippers in each hand. Ladies and gentlemen, do me a favor, clap your hands for Rachel. Come on, do it! challenge to you, bro. You gotta come on out. Your turn. Come on. Here we go. Marvin, right there in the middle of the dance floor. I want to see you do your thing, all right? You ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Yes. Yes, dance, bro. Okay. You know what? You know what it is? It's the beat. You need a better song, right? I'm gonna give you a better song to dance to. Okay, here you go. JP, chill on the drum. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a better song. Okay, just here we go. Yeah, dance. That's it. No, you. No, you can't call someone. We don't have phone a friend here. Turn around, face your audience. What are you talking about? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, who you gonna call? Hey, get it, man. Get it. Come on. Hey, nicely done. A little running man action. I like it. Offbeat, but it's sexy. Work it out. Work it out. I probably hit the pose. 3, 2, 1. You can do it. Come on, let me see it. You can do it. You can do it. One time. One time. Like that. You can do it, Papa. Come on. Crazy. Man, my life is fulfilled. I can die happy. All right, guys, check this out. Obviously, we have some awesome performers. I need your help picking a winner. Give me a round of applause for whoever you think was the best. First up, let's hear it for Rachel. Wow, that was sadder than sad. All right, let's hear it for Madeline. Whatever, I'm just not feeling it. Let's hear it for Pavin. Obviously, our winner is Pavin. Round of applause for him. Thank you, bro. And let's get a special round of applause for our awesome drummers. You guys were amazing. Thank you very much. How about you guys? Did you guys have fun? Let me hear you say yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Well, we're going to have a little bit more fun since we're celebrating the Chinese New Year. We got something special coming your way. Let's see if you can pick it out. Crew, are you ready? Not everybody's ready. Whatever. I'll wait. Let's do it! Right about now, it's about that time for one final all-in street party! We're gonna kick this off with a bang, everybody, so I need one thing. Clap your hands! We're gonna stick around for some photos and chill time. But first, we complete the beat. Let's go.